10th class ICSE English paper 1 composition. Write a composition on
the influence of modern entertainment on society in the electronic era. 10th class ICSE English paper 1 composition. The influence of modern entertainment on society in the electronic era. In the electronic era, modern has transformed the way people interact, communicate, and consume information. With advancements in technology, entertainment has become more accessible, immersive, and diverse, profoundly influencing society's cultural, social, and psychological dynamics. One of the most significant impacts of modern entertainment is its accessibility. The rise of streaming platforms, social media, and online gaming has made entertainment available at the touch of a button, transcending geographical boundaries. People can now watch movies, listen to music, or play games anytime and anywhere, fostering a global exchange of cultures. This accessibility has also democratized content creation, allowing individuals from all walks of life to share their talents and stories. However, this ease of access comes with challenges. The overuse of digital entertainment can lead to addiction, social isolation, and a decline in physical activity. Many individuals, especially the youth, spend excessive hours glued to screens, which can negatively impact their mental and physical health. Social media platforms, while providing entertainment, often perpetuate unrealistic beauty standards and unhealthy comparisons, affecting self-esteem. Moreover, modern entertainment has reshaped societal values and behaviors. Online platforms have become a medium for raising awareness about social issues, enabling movements and campaigns to reach a broader audience. At the same time, the content we consume influences our perspectives and choices, from fashion trends to political opinions. This dual-edged sword underscores the importance of responsible consumption and critical thinking. The electronic era has also revolutionized how people connect. Multiplayer games, virtual reality experiences, and live streaming events have created new ways for individuals to bond over shared interests, breaking traditional barriers. However, these virtual connections often lack the depth and authenticity of face-to-face interactions, raising concerns about the erosion of interpersonal skills. In conclusion, the influence of modern entertainment in the electronic era is undeniable. While it offers unparalleled convenience and opportunities, it also necessitates mindful engagement to balance its benefits and potential drawbacks. By leveraging technology responsibly, society can enjoy the best of what modern entertainment offers while mitigating its adverse effects.